I was at the back of my mind really looking to connect deep with nature. At the same time, I think I really wanted some kind of a direction. And it's mistake how this came to me. It came to me as a random post on Insta. And trust me, I don't do clickables. I don't click very often, and I just did it. And the response was very instant. They followed it up, and I looked them up, and I instantly felt like this is a group I can trust.
So this is my third trip with Wilderlust. I just came across the advertisement on Instagram and I connected with them. And luckily my chosen family, Mohit and Erika Didi, were also planning here. So I just decided to be third wheel with them and I joined here. And as always, I've been excited to go on expeditions with Shashank sir and his team.
Forest was really amazing. Just the differences in terrain. So we did 5 drives, but we did them in 4 different places from 4 different gates, 4 different zones. And the terrain was different in each one. Beautiful, a nice lush forest, and just great for animal sightings.
Yes, I agree. I think to me, what stood out was the bamboo forest in Silari. I think that's something that we've never seen before in our prior safaris. And also in Cholbali, the lake was spectacular with the sunset. So I think those just stand out in terms of and the teakwood forest were just absolutely beautiful.
Beyond these big cats, owl, I don't know the names of these birds, but it was good to sight those. Definitely, it was a treat seeing them, which in the normal life we can't see outside. And some other birds, very beautiful birds. We could see a lot of peacocks, which of course it's very common, but here something special in the nature. It freely roams. There is no disturbance.
Deers and the sambars and the Hanuman, langurs, and many birds. I'm sorry, I don't remember the names of many birds, but I think the whole diversity, the whole package of the forest it's still alive in my heart.
First safari, it was almost closing time, and suddenly out of nowhere the tigress T67 appeared, and she gave us a wonderful sighting, and we were able to track her for a good 20 minutes. I think that was just fabulous. And the other was the last safari where we tracked a leopard, and the reason that one stands out is that was the first time in my experience where we went from hearing the calls to tracking the leopard, and that happened in 20 minutes, and I think that was quite exhilarating.
For me, without a doubt, it's the first sighting of T67 on the first day. It was just really special because there weren't a lot of people around. At the beginning, it was just us, and then one more Jeep showed up eventually, but everybody was very respectful and calm and gave her the space to allow her to stick around with us for a while, which is always special. That one will definitely be the one that I take for a long, long time.
The stay in Bagh Baghicha. I enjoyed thoroughly. 1, calm atmosphere away from the city. Number 2, it's closer to the safari side. Accessible across all the gates. The hospitality of the people down here on the staff, too good. And it was a very pleasant atmosphere I felt.
I think the resort that we're staying in, the Bagh Baghicha resort, that's wonderfully located. It's very calm, it's very peace, it's very tranquil. Also, the food is like amazing. The service is very, very nice. The people are very simple, and it's just wonderful. I think their rooms are nice and clean, and they're just very forthcoming.
All of the drivers and guides did a great job. A few stood out here and there. The driving is so skilled. There were moments. I'm usually pretty calm with, especially when I'm not the one in the driver's seat, but there were a few times where we were speeding along and I was like, whoa. But they're so skilled. It wasn't scary at all. It was really exhilarating and thrilling. The guides were very knowledgeable as well. It's always fun to me to see guides and drivers who are as into it as we are. It's not just a job for them. They're also out there with their cameras and they're, as excited about the sightings. So that makes it fun. It makes it very much like a community sense.
I agree completely. I think what stood out was the professionalism. I think everything was on time. There were no hitches in getting the approvals or entering the gate. I think it just worked very smoothly, and I think that just made the experience even better.
If I have to, talk about a person whom I really, inspire and also learned a lot is Sanskriti. Excellent in her work, very, meticulous, prompt, and the way she took care, and also the in-depth knowledge. Amazing. I appreciate.
In general, experiences with Wilderlust are amazing. Right from my first jungle experience at Ranthambore to Kabini, that was my first solo experience in my life ever. And this one, Sanskriti, this one is for you. You have been this amazing host, amazing girlfriend I've made on this trip. From the first call that you made to introduce yourself till now, your name comes up and this bubble of energy comes up. Every day morning when you would come and say good morning, that was like the best start of the day, the kick of the day, I would say. So that would give us an energy to, pull through the entire day.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.